What if everything you've known about the shape of our planet was a lie? What if the Earth was not a sphere but flat? This is the enigma of the flat Earth theory, a concept that has puzzled and intrigued minds for centuries. A belief that defies the established scientific consensus. It clings to the underbelly of our understanding of the world, persisting against the odds. The flat Earth theory challenges our perception of reality, whispers of a world that stretches out endlessly, a horizon that never curves. It is an enigma wrapped in a riddle, shrouded in mystery, a question mark that refuses to be erased. Despite overwhelming evidence to the contrary, despite the images of a spherical Earth captured from space, the belief in a flat Earth has endured. It's a testament to the power of conviction, the allure of the unconventional, and the human capacity to question. So, let's delve into the origins of this fascinating theory. The belief in a flat Earth dates back to ancient civilizations. The concept of a flat Earth is as old as civilization itself. The ancient Babylonians, Egyptians, and early Greeks, among others, all held this belief. You see, their understanding of the universe was fundamentally different from ours today. They based their beliefs on observable phenomena and the tools at their disposal. The Babylonians, one of the oldest recorded civilizations, perceived the Earth as a flat disk floating in the ocean. This belief was primarily based on their observations of the horizon and the seemingly flat landscape around them. They conceived the sky as a dome, with the stars fixed onto it, rotating around the Earth. The ancient Egyptians, masters of architecture and astronomy, also believed in a flat Earth. Their cosmological views were deeply intertwined with their religious beliefs. They saw the Earth as a rectangular plane, symbolic of the fertile lands along the Nile River, surrounded by mountains at the edges that held up the sky. The early Greeks, renowned for their philosophical and scientific inquiries, initially held a similar view. They imagined the Earth as a flat disk surrounded by a river, the Oceanus. However, even in these early times, the seeds of skepticism were sown. Thales of Miletus, an early Greek philosopher, proposed the idea of a spherical Earth as early as the 6th century BC. These ancient civilizations, in their quest to understand the universe, interpreted their surroundings in the best way they could with the knowledge and tools available to them. Their belief in a flat Earth was not a sign of ignorance, but rather a testament to their observational skills and creativity in formulating theories to explain the world around them. However, the flat Earth belief was not to stand the test of time. As civilizations advanced, so did their understanding of the cosmos. New theories emerged, old beliefs were challenged, and the concept of a spherical Earth began to gain traction. But as time passed, this belief began to be questioned. The theory of a spherical Earth came to light in the 6th century BC by the ancient Greeks. Yes, the Greeks, brilliant minds that gifted us with profound philosophy, tantalizing tragedies, and even the very concept of democracy. But let's focus on two Greek philosophers in particular, Pythagoras and Parmenides. Pythagoras, yes, the same guy who gave us the Pythagorean theorem, was one of the earliest proponents of a spherical Earth. He suggested this based on the round shape of the moon and the shadow it cast on Earth during a lunar eclipse. It's hard to imagine, but this was a truly radical idea, in an era when the prevailing belief was a flat Earth. Then came Parmenides, another Greek philosopher. He took Pythagoras' idea a step further. Parmenides proposed that not only was the Earth spherical, but it was also at the center of the universe. This was groundbreaking. Remember, this was over 2,000 years before the invention of the telescope. So, how did this monumental shift in belief occur? Well, it wasn't overnight. It took centuries of observation, debate, and philosophical discourse, and yet the idea of a spherical Earth started to take hold. It resonated with the Greeks' love for logical reasoning and their thirst for understanding the natural world. The impact of this shift was tremendous. It changed the way people viewed the world and their place in it. It opened up new possibilities for exploration and navigation. It laid the foundation for modern astronomy and physics. It truly was a revolution in human thought. Yet, despite the evidence, despite the logic, and despite the profound implications, the flat Earth theory managed to hold on. It was not ready to be discarded, not ready to be relegated to the pages of history. It would take more than Greek philosophy to finally put the flat Earth theory to rest. This marked the beginning of the end for the flat Earth theory, but it wasn't quite finished yet. In the 19th century, the flat Earth theory made a surprising comeback. The revival of this ancient belief in modern times might astonish many. How, one might ask, could such an idea resurface in an age of scientific enlightenment? The resurgence can largely be attributed to a few influential individuals and their unyielding conviction. One such individual was Samuel Rowbotham, an English inventor and writer. Rowbotham was a man of charisma and persuasive eloquence. He championed the flat Earth theory with fervor, presenting it as an alternative to the widely accepted spherical Earth model. Rowbotham conducted a series of experiments along a 6-mile stretch of the old Bedford River in England. He claimed that his observations proved the Earth's flatness. Despite the scientific community's dismissal of his results, Rowbotham found a receptive audience among those who questioned the mainstream narrative. His ideas took shape in the form of a book, Zetetic Astronomy, Earth Not a Globe, which became the cornerstone of modern flat Earth belief. Rowbotham's teachings inspired followers long after his death, sparking the formation of organizations dedicated to promoting the flat Earth theory. One such organization was the Flat Earth Society, established in the early 20th century. This society, which still exists today, serves as a platform for flat Earth believers to share their ideas and research. Through newsletters, conferences, and online forums, the society keeps the flat Earth theory alive and thriving. The resurgence of flat Earth belief in the 19th century was not a random event. It was a manifestation of human curiosity, skepticism, and the desire to question established truths. It was a testament to the power of belief, the influence of charismatic leaders, and the enduring allure of alternative theories. Despite being largely dismissed by the scientific community, the flat Earth theory continues to have followers today. These followers, like their 19th century counterparts, continue to question, to explore, and to seek their own understanding of the world around them. In the 21st century, the flat Earth theory has found new life on the internet. As the world grows ever more connected, the tendrils of this ancient belief have wound their way through the virtual universe, finding fertile ground in the vast expanse of the World Wide Web. On various online platforms, from the sprawling forums of Reddit to the video-sharing giant YouTube, the modern flat Earth movement has carved out a niche, attracting a diverse following. For many, the internet serves as a gateway to this alternative worldview. With just a few clicks, anyone can dive into a rabbit hole of conspiracy theories and pseudoscience, where the Earth is not a spinning ball hurtling through space, but a flat disk, stationary and unique. The web's democratization of information has allowed this theory to spread like wildfire, reaching corners of the globe that would have been unthinkable in the days of old. Digital age communication tools have played a key role in this resurgence. Social media platforms, with their ability to connect people across continents, have allowed for the formation of communities where these ideas can be shared, discussed, and refined. In these virtual meeting places, believers find camaraderie and validation, their views reinforced by like-minded individuals. Online, the flat Earth theory has been given a glossy makeover. It's presented with slick graphics, compelling arguments, and a hefty dose of skepticism towards mainstream science. This isn't your grandfather's flat Earth theory. It's a product of the digital era, dressed up for a 21st century audience. What's more, the internet has facilitated the organization of real-world events, such as conferences and meetups, where flat earthers can come together in person to exchange ideas and build solidarity. These gatherings serve to strengthen the community, fostering a sense of belonging among its members. The flat Earth theory, once a relic of ancient times, has evolved into a modern-day phenomenon. Through the power of the internet, a belief that was once on the fringes of society has found its way to the forefront of some people's worldview, proving that in the digital age, no idea is ever truly extinct. Is there any truth to the flat Earth theory? The answer, according to science, is a resounding no. Overwhelming scientific evidence points towards a spherical Earth. This evidence is not new, but rather a culmination of centuries of observation, exploration, and scientific discovery. We've seen our planet's shape with our own eyes, from the curvature of the horizon to the round shadow it casts during a lunar eclipse. Modern technology has only solidified this understanding. Satellites orbiting our globe provide a bird's-eye view of our round Earth, and astronauts have marveled at its spherical form from space itself. Yet, even in the face of such incontrovertible evidence, the flat Earth theory persists. It's a testament to the power of belief and the allure of the unknown. Despite the intrigue and mystery, the flat Earth theory remains just that, a theory.